Hi everybody, this is Valerie and welcome back to my yarn room. Today we're going to be finishing up our hexagon. I thought that I might be done with it yesterday, but then I realized that there was more steps to it the further you go that I didn't explain. So I figured I would go ahead and do a second video explaining that. Okay, so this is going to be pretty quick, I hope. So let's get started. We're going to finish up with our double crochets, putting one in each stitch, just like we were doing yesterday. And then we're gonna put one in the chain 2 space, and we're gonna chain 2. And then we're gonna go back and we're gonna put another one in the chain 2 space. That creates a new corner, just like yesterday. Okay, and don't forget what I called the secret stitch. If you forget that one, your count's going to be off, so therefore your hexagon's going to be off, and we don't want that. So, don't forget that stitch. I can't stress that enough. We're going to keep on just putting our double crochets. Okay, I'm going to pause right here, and I will meet you back over here at this chain 2 space, the last one, before we close it off. Because there's a little trick right here that you need to know. Okay, see you in a minute. Keep working around. Okay, I'm back, and as you see, I worked my stitches all the way around, and I'm back over here at this last chain 2 before closing it off, or connecting it. Okay, so we're going to do just like we always did, and put a double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet. Okay, now if you'll notice, here's your chain 3 on this row below, and here's your chain 3 on the row we're on. There is that secret stitch right there. Don't forget the secret stitch. So we're going to put a double crochet in that secret stitch, and that makes it equal. Okay, now we're going to close it off. If I can find the hole, we're going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 3. Make sure you get the chain 3 and not the double crochet, because that'll mess you up too. That'll make your stitch count off. Okay, and then we're gonna chain 3. Okay, I'm gonna pull a long tail out here because I want to show you something. Okay, if you'll notice, let's do this one right here. This one looks neat. We started off with 3 double crochets. Then we went to 5 double crochets. And that third row, we have 7 double crochets. So, math lets you know that each row should have 2 more double crochets than the row before it on each side of your hexagon. Okay. So if that happens, then you're doing it right. right here, where that we put, after we did the corner, and then we put another double crochet in that secret stitch, and then we connected to the top of our chain 3. The next row, when you get here, you'll do your double crochet, chain 2, double crochet into the corner, but then you'll have 2 stitches before you connect to your chain 3. And each row you'll add another stitch here. So keep going as many rows as you want. Make it as big as you want. I just wanted to come on here real quick and explain that little section right there. It's a tricky one. But you got this. I know you can do it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Okay, so I will see you soon. Good luck and keep hooking. Bye, y'all.